You're watching Czar's Variety Channel.
Hi there, I'm Czar. Welcome to today's video. Today we're going to do an open boxing and quick on-feet demo of the Timberland Basic Work Boot. Obviously you know what this is. This is the classic Timberland 6-inch waterproof wheat nubuck basics. So here we go. Pull this out. Nice sharp looking boot for the money. If you can get these at a decent price, I think we got these for $99.99 at the time. So let's pull these out. So these are your classic Timberland work boot. These premium full grain nubuck leather upper. These are they're pretty good. They're designed for a little bit of comfort. Anyway, these are the basics, not the premium. So you get, it features seam seal waterproof protection. You got your rubber lug outer soles for grip, and these are the basic soles. These are based on the old classics. They've been around. It's just a classic Timberland boot. The laces are made from 100% recycled nylon and engineered to stay tied. You get 400 grams of PrimaLoft ECO insulation with the full warmth in the Timberland Basic. You got your full leather tongue here, nicely stitched back. A little bit of a padding there. You can also get the Basic with the padded collar as well, although after a while I think the padded collar may wear out. But if you're on a budget, definitely take a look at the Timberland Basics. You know, they look great with jeans. They're waterproof. You can also use the crepe spray or any of the waterproof spray, which I'd recommend treating them. But I don't think you can go wrong with the Timberland Basic boot. We're going to go ahead and put them on and do an on-foot demonstration for you. So that's a quick review, unboxing, and on-feet demo of the Timberland Basic 6-inch work boot. Feel free to pick up a pair. I'll put a link down below. Thank you so much for watching. Please click like. Please smash the subscribe button. Hit the bell for any updates. We're always doing reviews on new sneakers, shoes, and casual wear. Thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate it.